I'm Daryl Nassasan, and welcome to IPGo, the show where we take a look at the IPO world, past, present, and future. Today, we're going to talk about a company that only recently IPO'd but has made a solid start to listed life, despite the current climate. That company is Keros Therapeutics. Now, this is a young clinical stage biopharma firm founded in 2015 in Massachusetts with a market cap of $552 million. The company is focused on the discovery, development, and commercialization of treatments for patients suffering from hematological and musculoskeletal disorders with high unmet medical need. They consider themselves to be a leader in understanding the role of the transforming growth factor beta family of proteins, which are master regulators of red blood cell and platelet production, as well as the growth, repair, and maintenance of muscle and bone. They have 4 products in their pipeline which have all left preclinical testing, one of which is heading into stage 2 testing. The company is teeming with PhDs and a scientific advisory board with a heavy Harvard influence. On the 7th of April, the firm raised $96 million gross in its IPO of 6 million shares of common stock for a price of $16 per share. The firm had previously planned to offer 5 million shares in the range of $14 to $16 each. The stock is now trading on the NASDAQ. The IPO provides Keros with $96 million to advance the development of its pipeline products, and the company plans to use these proceeds to advance its clinical stage drug candidates into mid-stage trials. The funds will allow it to start 2 phase 2 trials and push other products into phase 1 clinical trials. Some of the IPO cash is also slated to move another Keros drug candidate into the clinic. Last month, Keros raised a needed venture capital round of about $56 million following reporting in February that the company only had $3.6 million in cash and equivalents. Following the IPO, 36.99% of the company's shares are held by institutional investors such as Pontifex Venture Capital, who own 4.7 million shares, Arkin Bioventures, who hold 2 million shares, and Foresight Capital, who own 1.4 million shares. So far, the stock has traded higher since its IPO and posted a high of $31.50 before coming back to where it is currently trading, around $29. Now, it's a bit too early to make any inferences about how the stock will perform until we have more test results and trading days. But it looks like the stock has informed backers who believe in it and a managerial team full of experts. In our opinion, it is well worth keeping an eye on it. So, as usual, please make sure to do your own due diligence before making any investment decisions. This is an IPO that requires careful consideration before placing any bets. Stay safe and see you next week.